Alex is writing a simple Python program. Everything looks correct. He clicks run. But the Python immediately stops and shows an error. This error is called indentation error, and it is one of the most common beginner mistakes in Python. Unlike many programming languages, Python uses indentation to define code blocks. In Python, spaces are not just for formatting, they are part of the syntax. Think of it like a company hierarchy. The manager stands at one level, employee stands under the manager. If everyone stands at the same level, the hierarchy becomes confusing. Python feels the same way about the code blocks. After an if statement, Python expects the next line is to be indented, like this. Now, Python clearly understands the print statement belongs to the if block. Another common problem happens when tabs and spaces are mixed together. Some lines use spaces, other lines use tabs. To us, they might look similar, but Python sees them differently. Here, one line uses a tab, the other uses spaces. This can lead to indentation related errors. The safest approach is simple. Use four spaces consistently throughout your code. Most modern editors do this automatically. If you see an indentation error, check three things. First, did you forget to indent a code block? Second, are all lines aligned correctly? And third, are tabs and spaces being mixed? Alex fixes the indentation, runs the code again, and this time everything works perfectly. Problem solved.